Let us begin with article creation. Log into your WordPress dashboard, locate and click on Articles in the left menu. This will bring you to the All Articles page listing all of the article content on your website. At the top left of the page, click on the small arrow next to Add New and select Block Editor, which will bring you to the article editor. Start filling in the blocks, enter your article title in the upper field. There will already be a paragraph block below the title where you can enter your body copy. The plus symbol at the top left of the editor will bring up a listing of all available blocks, such as paragraph, heading, list, or image, etc. Simply click on one and it will be inserted at the bottom of the content. You can then move the block with the up/down arrows in the top options bar. This options bar also allows you to adjust font settings and insert hyperlinks. As needed, select a category, add tags, and make other selections from the panels below the article. We will take a deeper look at the various blocks and panels in more detail shortly. When you are ready, click Pending Review, Publish, or set a future date for publish. Save as a draft if you're still working on it. Now we will take a look at the most often used blocks and panels when creating an article. Upon first opening the article editor, you are presented with the title, i.e. headline, block. This is the title of your post for online only. You can use any phrases, words, or characters. Avoid using the same title twice, as that will cause problems with search results. You can use commas, apostrophes, quotes, hyphens, or dashes and other typical symbols in the article, like family feature. Here's looking at you, kid. Once you save your draft, WordPress will then clean it up to generate a user-friendly and URL-valid name of the post, also called the post slug, to create the permalink for the post. The paragraph block is the main container for your body copy, where you enter your writing, links, and any information you want to display on your site. Various type options such as font size and colors are set in the right-hand details panel. Click the gear icon to the right of the Publish button to toggle this panel on or off. The simplest way to add an image block to your article is to use the block listing popover. When you hover your mouse just below an existing block, a dark gray plus icon will appear. Clicking on the icon will bring up a popover where you can search and/or choose a block to add at that position in the layout. In the case of images, you will choose the image block. Upon selecting the image block, its interface will appear, allowing you to upload a new image, choose one from your media library, or insert via a web link. After you have an image in place, you can use the sidebar to resize. You can also resize visually by clicking on the image and adjusting the blue handles on the image itself. You can also change the vertical position and horizontal alignment, which will wrap the body text around the image. The image block also includes a caption field by default just beneath the image. Your author names and other important information, such as author email or copyright, can be added as a byline and will be displayed beneath the article headline. Note you can add additional bylines with the Add Another Byline button below the field. Additionally, the author dropdown contains a listing of all authors and editors assigned those roles on your website, which, while separate from the byline, is used by SEO for the search appearance of your article. The subheading can be set in this panel and shows under the article headline and byline. Note you can add additional subheadings with the Add Another Subhead button below the field. When you click the Preview button at the top of the editor, a menu appears allowing you to choose a screen target for viewing how your article will appear. Desktop, tablet, and mobile will display a preview directly in the article editor laid out for that screen size. Preview a new tab will open the preview in a new tab with a layout following your browser window dimensions. Note the article will take a moment to load in the new tab as it renders a temporary preview. The Publish panel contains buttons and fields that control the status of your post. The main states are Published, Pending Review, and Draft. A published status means the post has been published on your blog for all to see. Pending Review means the draft is waiting for review by an editor prior to publication. Draft means the post has not been published and remains a draft for you. If you select a specific published status and click the Update Post or Publish button, or you can enter a future date and click the Schedule button, that status is applied to the post. For example, to save a post in the Pending Review status, check the Pending Review button in the status block and then click Save as Pending, which has replaced Save as Draft, to the left of the review link. You can view all articles organized by status by going to your website dashboard and click Articles, where you can select a status from the drop-down to filter and sort the list. To schedule a post for publication on a future time or date, click the Publish Immediately link, bringing up the calendar popover. Upon clicking a date, the Publish button will be replaced by a Schedule button. You can also change the publish date to a date in the past to backdate posts. Update the settings to the desired time and date and hit the Publish button when you have completed the post to publish with the specified time and date. In the status pane, you can also change the visibility of the article. This determines how your post appears to the world. Public posts will be visible by all website visitors once published. Password-protected posts are published to all, but visitors must know the password to view the post content. Private posts are visible only to you and to other editors or admins within your site. Select an edition for your article to be assigned. Entered in the year, month, date format for your normal edition or a name for special sections. This will automatically create a page that you can set as your most recent edition if you want to limit the front page to only a specific edition's articles. Essentially, the edition acts as a container for all the articles, or in the case of special sections, PDFs that are assigned to it. In the Categories panel, you can assign preset topics to be associated with your article. Readers can browse specific categories to see all stories in the category. To add a new category, click the plus Add New Category link in this section. You can manage your categories by going to the admin dashboard and find the article submenu, then choose Categories. You can also nest categories. For instance, a generic news category can contain subcategories, such as local news, cool news, etc. These parent categories, when displayed in an article widget on your home page, will include articles from any subcategories as well.